Welcome to a revealing journey into the hidden truths of the food industry. Have you ever wondered what lurks behind the glossy packaging and tempting advertisements of your favorite snacks and meals? Brace yourself for shocking revelations as we delve into the secrets that the food industry doesn't want you to know. In this eye-opening essay, we will uncover the dark practices, deceptive labeling, and manipulative tactics that shape our food choices and influence our health. Get ready to unmask the reality behind the curtain and expose the untold stories of what goes on behind the scenes. Let's embark on a quest to reveal the truth about what the food industry is hiding from us. Section 1. The allure of processed foods. We begin by exploring the allure of processed foods and how the food industry strategically designs addictive products to keep us hooked. We'll delve into the science of food engineering and how companies exploit our taste buds to maximize profits. Section 2. The truth about food labels. Decode the perplexing world of food labels and marketing jargon. Learn how the food industry manipulates language and presents misleading information to deceive consumers about the true contents of their product. Section 3. The impact of big food lobbying. Uncover the influence of powerful food industry lobbyists on government policies and regulations. We'll reveal how this lobbying power often puts profits before public health and safety, leaving consumers at the mercy of corporate interests. Section 4. The dark side of factory farming. Peek behind the closed doors of factory farms and uncover the harsh realities of mass animal production. Explore the ethical and environmental concerns associated with the intensive farming practices that dominate the food industry. Section 5. Hidden ingredients and controversial additives. Delve into the world of hidden ingredients and controversial additives in processed foods. We'll shed light on the harmful substances that are added to our meals, often without our knowledge or consent. Section 6. The manipulation of portion sizes. Examine the deceptive practices of portion sizing and how the food industry encourages overconsumption. Learn how these manipulative tactics contribute to the rising rates of obesity and related health issues. Section 7. The link between big food and nutrition research. Investigate the influence of the food industry on nutrition research and dietary guidelines. We'll explore conflicts of interest and how corporate funding can bias scientific studies to favor specific products. Section 8. The battle against food waste. Address the shocking levels of food waste within the industry and the ethical implications of discarding vast quantities of edible food while millions go hungry. Section 9. The disguise of natural and organic claims. Unmask the true meaning behind natural and organic claims and how these labels can be misleading. We'll uncover the loopholes that allow companies to market their products as healthier than they truly are. Section 10. The future of food transparency. As consumers demand more transparency, we'll explore the growing movement for food industry reform and the push for clearer labeling and ethical practices. Discover how you can make informed choices and advocate for change in the food system. As we conclude our eye-opening exploration of the food industry's hidden practices, we are faced with a crucial choice. Will we continue to be complacent consumers, unaware of the manipulations and deceptions behind the products we consume daily? Or will we take a stand and demand transparency, accountability, and healthier choices for ourselves and future generations? The food industry secrets may have been well guarded, but knowledge is power. By arming ourselves with information, we can make conscious decisions that align with our values and promote a healthier, more sustainable food system. Let us unite in this quest for truth, challenging the status quo and demanding a food industry that prioritizes our well-being over profits. Together, we have the power to drive positive change and create a future where transparency and integrity prevail in the world of food.